Hello, what is your name?
Hello, my name is Abigail Pascual,
How old are you?
33 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Okay, do you have kids?
yes, 2,
How old are they?
8 and 4,
How long you been working in Hong Kong?
6 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, in Dubai,
How many years
2
there?
years,
So how long you been working with your current employer?
6 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
Kwai Chung,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2000,
How many family member there?
6,
How many children?
1 babies,
How old? Now?
newborn. Now it's 5 months.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
6 a.m. I'm preparing the breakfast for my employer, and then I'll get the baby to my employer, and then after that, feeding the baby, taking a bath, and then preparing the milk for the baby, and then preparing my lunch, and then cleaning all the house while baby is sleeping, and then after that, preparing for the dinner of my employer, and then cleaning the toilet, and then take a bath the baby again, and then fix and tidy all things inside the house at 11 p.m. and take a rest.
Okay, thank you so much.